What's up guys, Kill Skills here, welcome back to another video. Today's video is an unboxing video and as you can see I'm wearing my new Aston Villa training kit. It's really nice. Put in the comments down below if you like it guys. I love it, it's so cool. And as you can see, this designer here is called Luke. It's such a cool brand. In this box is 3 of the Villa kits. 2 you might have seen already, but 1 is the special one. I was invited down to be a model for the new 3rd kit. I've seen it already, you guys probably haven't, but you'll see it today in this video. Before we start this video, I just want to mention, if you're new to this channel, make sure you click that like button and the subscribe button and the notifications button and comment down below if you like my new training top, and just comment down below. And yeah, let's get into this box. Struggling to open it. Perfection. Woohoo! Right, first kit. I saw all the kits by the way. So this is the first kit. I love this one. This is one of my favourites, obviously because it's the home. Obviously normal claret, but yeah, this is really nice. I love the texture of this badge and the Luke sign. And on the lion, you can feel like detail and like bumps and stuff. It's really cool. So guys, just the texture and the material of this is just on point. It's quality. It's a quality piece. Let's call it a quality piece. One of my favourite Villa kits that they've released. Let's get into the second thing. So I haven't properly saw this one because they didn't have it at the modelling thing. Oh, I like this. This is really nice. This is. Ooh, spicing it up a bit. This is. Right. So you've got the same netting as the light blue on the side of this one. The same material here, like stretch, like I don't know how to describe it, like a band. And then same material on the neck and same material on this side. And then the feeling of this, like the material, again, a quality piece, quality. The same badge, obviously, and the same feel, quality. And the Luke sign, quality piece. By the way, guys, I met the guy Luke, and he's a top geezer. Probably one of our best Villa kits ever in the history of Villa. History. Well, I think, anyway. And then you've got white stripes, like this one, just like white stripes. Sadly, I don't have the shorts, so these will be good to go to Villa matches and stuff. So, yeah, now it's time for the special kit that you have probably not seen yet. Let's get into it. I don't want to show it yet. Look. So you still see the silver? Still see silver? I'm going to open it my side because I saw it. Oh. These are for special game. If another team has the claret or the white, bang! Completely different colour. The best kit Villa has ever made. Straight out there, I don't even care. This is the best Villa kit ever. Woo! It's such a nice kit. So we have pink at the top, faded to dark purple. We have neon blue stripes on the sides. We have the neon blue again on like that bit there, the rim. A white Villa sign, which is unusual. And then we have the same pink colour on the Luke sign, white surrounding it. And then inside we have dark purple again. There's the netting again above the neon blue. And yeah, one of the best kits Villa has ever released. I think it's the best kit ever. It is such a good kit. I love it so much. So, as I told you earlier, I went to a photo shoot, finished the whole photo shoot for the new release of the 3rd Villa kit. And yeah, this is how my day went. Roll VT. What's up guys, Kill Skills here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're in a secret location, an old warehouse, to do a photo shoot with the new Aston Villa kit. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And later on in the video, we might see a couple of Aston Villa players, so stay tuned. Let's get in there. So guys, we're here. Andre Green is over there. Keenan Davis is having his hair and makeup. So, I hope you enjoyed my little vlog. As you saw, I got to meet Keenan Davis, Andre Green, and the new goalkeeper, Nyland, our new number 1. Come on! So, guys, are you a Villa fan? If yes, do you want to win one of these shirts? They are absolutely amazing. All you have to do to win is subscribe to me, Keel Skills. Comment down below your size and head over to Aston Villa YouTube channel and subscribe to them. That's all you have to do to win one of these shirts. The winner will be announced at random, and if you are the lucky winner, congratulations, you get to win one of these absolutely quality piece kits. They are absolutely amazing. I rate them 10 out of 10, every single one. Before we end this video, I just want to mention a massive thank you to Villa and Luke for inviting me down for the modelling photo shoot and giving me these 3 kits. They are absolutely amazing quality pieces. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Love, peace and techers. Kill skills. Until next time.